Hi Smileys and wine enthusiasts. Welcome if this is your first time here, and welcome back if you're aging like a fine wine. In today's video, I thought it'd be really fun to try some of Scout & Cellar's new wine spritzers. We have the Epic Pursuit Non-Alcoholic Paquette Spritzer. And of course, this is not going to have any alcohol by volume. So for those of you who are doing a dry January, then you'll really like this one. We have the Epic Pursuit Rosé Wine Spritzer. And lastly, we have the Epic Pursuit Cider Spritzer. So let's go ahead and jump into this video. Now, I have not had a lot of wine spritzers. If you look back on my Instagram and in some of my videos, maybe not the videos, definitely Instagram and possibly my blog, there are a couple of wine spritzers that I have had by, I think, Corona, which was a mango spritzer, and I loved that one. I've had some Bud Light in the past. I believe wasn't too much of a fan. I think I've also had White Claw. I wasn't too much of a fan with that one. So we'll see how these goes. You know, I love wine. I love red wine. I love some cocktails, but not too much sugar. So I'm really excited to try these today. So let's go ahead and start with the non-alcoholic spritzer. So I went ahead and opened these already. Okay, so with this I'm getting a soft smell, a little bit of peach. Okay, that's about all I can get out the can. Let's see. So I taste raspberry, hint of peach, it's almost like a sparkling water, but I do get a hint of wheat or beer at the back of my throat. Maybe that's corn. At the back, that ending, I get corn or wheat. And it has a nice fizz, like a sparkling water. Let's see what notes it says. Okay, it says white tea, honey, raspberry, and peach. I guess I could see the white tea for the softness of it. I love white tea. I love tea. I love herbal teas. Most of my teas are white teas. I love herbals. I love Tazo's passion tea and their mint tea. I love Tavana's peach and mint tea. And y'all have seen some of my tea posts on my Instagram, so y'all know I love tea. But I don't know that I'm getting honey. Maybe that honey is that corn taste that I get in the back of my throat. I don't add honey to my tea. Anytime I have honey in my tea is when I'm trying to mimic Starbucks medicine ball. So, not bad. Not bad. Okay, so that one has 0% ABV. It comes in an 8.4 ounce can. Love the packaging. These are the boxes that the spritzers come in, and 4 come in a pack. It's a cute little skinny can, and just from experience when I first got this, I tried it in the can, loved it. I poured it in a wine glass. It will go flat very quickly if you put it in a wine glass. And I said I was going to try it in a champagne flute. So let me also try that in a champagne flute. Okay, so next, let's move to this rosé wine spritzer. This comes in a cute pink package all the way around there. Ooh, yes. Okay, and it's so cute. This has a little pink bee at the top. This does too. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this smells like wine. All I smell is wine. I don't get any other notes. Okay, let's see. Oh, and I'm looking, these say 0% juice on them. Ooh, okay, this one's more fruity. Okay. Okay. Wine definitely tastes like a rosé. The notes are blood orange, strawberry, cranberry, and peach. Can you see that? Both of these have carbonated water in the ingredients, and the flavors are extracts, not added sugar, of course. But what I taste is rosé wine. I don't know that I'm picking at orange, maybe the orange, but I'm not picking up strawberry. I drink cranberry juice every day, just about. I'm not picking up cranberry or peach. I just pick up rosé, which is just fine. Rosé with some carbonation. And this, I get rosé wine all throughout the taste, whereas this one, it sort of ended with that, for me, a Cornish taste that's probably the honey, and then you could tell that water was in it, like just this, I don't want to say flat or bland, but pure, like this pure monotone water taste. If you drink water, you know what I'm talking about. So, yeah, I could tell water was in this one, but this one just tastes like a carbonated rosé wine. What's the color? So that's white. Yeah, this is white too. It's not colored. Okay. Okay, so both of the common notes in these are peach. Okay, well, all right. Okay, the last one is a cider spritzer. And I love this packaging. It just reminds you of the fall. So I love that. I smell cinnamon. Oh, this smells like wassail. My honey's wassail. This is what this smells like. And this is also clear as well. It doesn't have a color. So cinnamon and apple are the notes that I'm getting. Okay, let's see. I'm excited. Okay, wow. Whoop. 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 Okay. Whoa. That's ending on a very sour, like a sour candy note. Okay, let's try that one again. Ooh, hold on. Okay. Yeah, it's still there. Okay, the notes in this one are citrus, spice, and pomegranate. So I definitely taste spice, citrus, and that sour taste that I must be getting is pomegranate. So I think out of all these three, this one would be my favorite. The rosé wine spritzer would be my favorite. The ingredients in this is also carbonated water. The apple smell that I was getting, that's in there. Cinnamon is in there. These are all extracts. It also says bergamot, cinnamon, lemon, lime. I'm definitely tasting the lime, and pomegranate extract. So that lemon and lime on the end, you get that. And it's very bold and pungent. I was not expecting that. This I would mix with something. All of these you definitely want to refrigerate before drinking. I would mix this one with something, and this one probably with juice if you want it to mix. These two I definitely could drink by themselves. Of these two, the rosé is definitely my favorite. And the cider, I have to say I'm not really a fan of this one. But that doesn't mean that you won't be, because we all have our different tastes. But when I tell you the ending, well, y'all saw my my expression. I felt like I was sucking on a sour candy or chewing a sour gummy. That's the ending. Yeah, and it didn't go away. So that's those three. I'm pretty excited to share this with you. And like I said, do drink it out the can to keep that carbonation. Do not pour it in a wine glass because it will go flat immediately. I have not tried it in a champagne flute, but I can get one. Let me go ahead and get one. Okay, so I have 2 champagne flutes, and I wanted to see. Let's do it with the cider. There. See? Ooh, that's a nice pour. Saw that carbonation. Okay. Oh, this is colored, so I'm glad that we poured it. Saw that carbonation, and I'll pour it again just in case you didn't see. This one seemed to have more carbonation. But ooh. Okay. Let's move this to the side so that y'all can see the both of these. Ooh. And if you ever watch Emeril Lagasse, he said that when you toast with your champagne flute, you want to do it at an angle so it can sort of chime. There at the tip. So that's nice. But I still see, it looks like this one has more little bubbles just rising up at a rate. But they're both still rising up. So let's see. We'll give it a little rest, and we'll see if how the carbonation goes. Okay, so by now it would have went flat in the wine glass. So I'm gonna go ahead and taste the rosé again. Yeah. Yeah. Keep it in the can. That just tastes like flavored wine water. Yeah. And this just tastes sour. So these spritzers you want to keep in the can. I would be very interested in knowing why they go flat so easily. But what I did notice is that there's a lot in this can, because you saw I took about 3-4 sips on each, except this one, and there's still a lot. Like it feels like it's right here on that one, and this one feels like it's right here. And this one feels like it's up here. So they give you a hefty pour in the cans. So that's good. But if I had to pick one, this rosé would definitely be my favorite. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I shared the tasting notes with you. I tried the spritzers with you. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Please come back. Thank you for returning, and be sure to check the description box below to follow me on Instagram. I'm at SmileyDannyGirl. To follow my blog, I'm www.smilingdanny.com, and to purchase any of these spritzers or find out more information about them, or to purchase any other wines by Scout and Cellar, please check out my website, www.scottandcellar.com/SmilingDanny. And I also have some products on my product page on my blog to help keep your wine and your sparkling wines fresh. And I have some wonderful tastings, tasting notes, pairings, vineyard visits. All of that is on my blog, and some great pairing ideas. And be on the lookout for my next video, because I'm really excited about my next video, and it'll be perfect for Valentine's Day. So share, subscribe, like, and I will see you Smileys and wine enthusiasts next time. Bye!